Hello everyone, welcome. If you're just joining in from Southland Roleplay, I'd like to first off thank you by joining the Limitless family. I'm going to show you a few steps that you're going to have to take to get into the server, and then kind of show you around our server just a little bit so you're more familiar since you are merging over from another server. First of all, you should receive a message like this in your DM. So welcome to Limitless Network. Here are a few questions for you. You'll also see this video linked with that. So this is our TeamSpeak password. Once you get into there, if you could request or like ask one of our administrators to give you the correct roles, so you'll no longer need a password. Then also our CAD sign up. If you click here, this will bring you to our CAD. Let me just sign out real quick and I can show you how to sign up. If you click the request access button, member form request, you can type in your name. So say my name is Bob. Email is testing@limitless. And then say a password. Confirm the two passwords. Then the access password is 2019. That's also given in email. Then after that, well, I needed to enter a password. I didn't enter a password. But after that, it will request you to actually request departments. You can select all of them, and we'll go ahead and get you there. After you're done with that, you're going to want to go over and actually go down to the CAD approve me, type in your name here, and then we'll go ahead and accept you. Once you're accepted, you should receive a check mark like this. So now that that is done, you should have all your roles set up. Also, one more thing that you'll need to do is you'll want to give us a call sign, which is a 3-digit number. So like 277 is this person. And then we'll go ahead, set you up with your right roles, stuff like that. So that would be that. Now, for logging into the server, what you're going to want to do is go to 5M, and we'll let 5M load here. Then you can go ahead, click play. You can either type in Limitless Network, or you can connect by doing server, or typing in the direct connect or console. I just use the console by F8. Connect, and then server.limitlessgamingnetwork.com, and then just by clicking enter, and you should be able to join, but I'm just going to join by here. You can click connect. You should be able to log in as long as your Discord is open and on your computer that you're running. We do use Discord permissions, so everything's run over our Discord roles, stuff like that. If you're having any issues with that, please restart your Discord. If that doesn't work, try restarting your computer. If that doesn't work, please contact an administrator and we can try to help you out. But other than that, you should be able to log in just fine. This is our loading screen for the holidays. Might have changed by the time that you're done with it or join, but let me just go ahead and load in and I'll be right back. Alright, so now that you are logged into the server, up top in the left hand corner is your chat. You'll see the area of patrol. Currently it says Polito, but this will be changing wherever the AOP is. Also, if you see down in the right hand corner over here, you can see nearest postal and countdown. That is for priority cooldown. So if you see something like priority in progress, it means you can't be doing a priority, stuff like that. That's kind of basic stuff. And then for key bindings, you can hit the equal button. Should pop up a menu that's still in development, so I can't show you that. But F1 does your like main menu stuff. This is where you'll get your character, stuff like that. The M menu is our roleplay toolbox. You should only be able to see civilian toolbox. This is where you can do like hands up, inventory, so set your inventory, and then also your alcohol level. You can do adverts, and then all of our custom vehicles are in here as well. Vehicle, this is like a vehicle toolbox menu. For Leo, if you type /on-duty and then LEO and hit enter, it will say you're now on duty as an LEO. If you click the M button again and open up the toolbox, you should see LEO toolbox. This is where you can do all of your LEO actions. So traffic manager, vehicles, these are all of our vehicles. So like an LSPD vehicle here. Let me spawn our new Blaine County sheriff cars. You should be able to see these, just cool like that, and then they're all in there. Under actions, you can do cuff, drag, seat, unseat, radar, pops up our radar, or you can also hit F5 to do the radar, your personal preference. search inventory, so searching someone, testing someone's tobacco level, or not tobacco, alcohol level, jailing someone, deploying spikes, toggling your shield, toggling your carbine, so you'll need to be in a car to toggle your carbine and shotgun for roleplay purposes. Then spawn prompts like barriers and then removing them, of course. Backup, you're going to request backup. This is an easier way to do it through the server, but if we do have an active dispatch, calling it over dispatch will be the main way. These are stations which you can use to teleport to different stations if you would like. This one's like Sandy. You can either set a waypoint or teleport. This one just teleports you, or when you click teleport it will. Loadouts, you can do standard loadout. That will give you all of your necessary stuff, or like SWAT and stuff. But mainly it's just the standard. Vehicles, we already covered that. So in the stations, there's two different things. You can lock the doors, and then also, this is like the jail stuff. But in here, oh, not there, that was the armory. In here is where you can get your uniform on. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my multiplayer character that I have set up here. So this is the main one that I go LEO with. If you press E, this menu will pop up, and you can go and go into your correct department according to the SOPs. Make sure you read those if you're law enforcement to get the correct information and uniform and stuff like that. So that's that, and that's how you can set it up. If you don't see one of these, you can also do /EUP in chat. That's Edward Union Paul in there for that. So you can do different stuff. I'm just going to roam around with this because I really like this uniform. But this is actually a subdivision, so you shouldn't be rolling around doing it. So that is like how you get in the server. I'm going to go ahead and cover fire stuff. For uniforms for fire, it's the same thing. SAFR, there's PPE gear, this jacket. I'm just going to keep this on for now. All that's in there. On duty, space, and then, let me guess, fire, right? Yes, fire. And then when you open that up, you should see the fire menu. If you want to go off duty to get that on there, it doesn't really matter. It won't like show or do anything else other than just give you that option in the menu. But you can just do off duty and then the department that you want to go, or on duty again, and it will get rid of that. Under the fire, it's drag, seat, unseat, and then hospitalize, different stations and hospitals, and then your loadouts, and then vehicles, of course. So that's that. This is just the basic setup. Get you going. I believe this is it. If you have any questions, please let me know, or contact an administrator. We're always here to help. Thanks again for joining the Limitless family, and have an awesome day.